My colleagues will tell more about ENCY CRM, how it works, what is the real practical scenarios of using it. So Alex Zadorozhny and Rakesh Yadav will tell about this in a couple of minutes. Okay, welcome them and thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Rakesh, and we'll be covering the topic, the ENCY CRM, and the topic is leading through CRM. So there's an introduction of myself. I'm Rakesh Kumar. I have 16 years of experience in CAD/CAM, PLM, CAE in various organizations like Dassault Systems, SolidWorks, and Sandvik.
Hi, everyone. Nice to meet all of you. So my name is Alex, and I'm dealing 12 years in various CRM systems. And today we will show you something that really inspires me. So go ahead, Rakesh.
Yeah. The topic is leading to CRM. Why we need a CRM, and why this tool is required by all of us in coming time, and why it is important for as a dealer community to use this CRM. Yeah, it's a need of now. You must be using any kind of CRM inside your organizations, but we need to have an ecosystem where all leads fall in line in a single system. There are various partners in the country across, so we need to integrate. And moreover, as we are growing, the system is becoming more and more complex. So the CRM, ENCY CRM will give a greater speed, visibility, and teamwork, where we will work together and integrate and group. Yeah, many of you must be thinking, one more tool to work on, but frankly speaking, it is not just any other tool, and it's nothing to do as an administration for you guys. It is every lead should have an owner, and owner has an opportunity. It should have a history. We should not lose a deal. And the next step is for the navigations, that all things will be taken care by my colleague Alex in this presentation topics. Yes, leads are good to be losing. We should not lose our leads. We have lot of input channels, as explained by Maria, that leads come through system, through your exhibitions, meetings happens. So we require we have multiple channels, all need to be connected. We don't unify these touch points. So we risk losing contact, showing on, down deals, frustrating customers. But we bring them together in one streamlined workflow. Every step is visible, accountable, and easier to execute. Yes, this is the question. Why? Why ENCY CRM? Yes, it's not any other CRM which you must be using in your organizations. It is a partner infrastructure and full sales cycle, what we want our resellers to use. It has dashboards, reports, mobile applications. This is an intelligent layer for all of us. It gives us visibility, insight, and the speed to act, because faster time to market is fast sales. That's the thing we all are proceeding towards. This is the true path what we all need to follow when we enter into our CRM. It's a website lead, then it is qualified by your sales guys or you, whoever is the owner of the lead. Then we convert into a deal that will be shown by my colleague Alex in coming time, the live how it will be done. Then the deal, we propose, we send a proposal or the quotation. Then sales process happen, we do negotiations, and this is the basic workflow. Every leads get an owner. It's where we separate interest from intent and move into real business. The pipeline then tracks everything, value stage, invoicing, payment. Give us all full visibility and control at every stage. Finally, the customer is handed over to the implementation. ensuring a smooth transition from promise to delivery, from sales to success. Now, I will hand over this to my colleague, Alex, to take the live session on.
Thank you, Rakesh. Yeah. So since we have a very beautiful software, I saw that it's better to show you how it works in action rather than just show you simple slides. Basically, I will walk through how we capture leads briefly, and then how we qualify them, how we make deals, create calls, etc. All in all, maybe 10 minutes, and a few more things. So basically, what CRM allows us to do, to structure the leads funnel and to structure the deals funnel. So basically, you can see that the system has new, assigned, and processed leads. Let me take care of one of the leads we have, as I use it as an example of a very good use case I would like to show you. CRM allows us to do is to get all the data meta source where a person coming from. You can see that on the left side, what was his initial request, and generate the lead section further on. So once we capture the lead, we need to qualify and understand what person is looking for and why we need to kind of sell him ENCY or what he's in general looking for. So what systems allows to do is system allows you to integrate your email, WhatsApp, and you can exchange the information with the customer. You can assign the tasks here to Maria or to Sam or to your colleagues. And I wanted to show you quite interesting example how this lead was qualified. So you can see here is plenty of the emails, but in reality is that there was some original mails that have been sent to the customer. He didn't respond on the emails, but after that, I reached out to him via WhatsApp, and basically he mentioned to me that he was on the leave, he tried to test the system, but he could not figure out how it works properly. I think it's a very beautiful example that you need to use multiple channels, otherwise you can miss the opportunity. So basically, systems allows us to store and classify what kind of leads are coming, what they're looking for, robots, CNCs, what kind of licenses and then you can move them from the new to the assigned and qualified. So let's assume that this lead is a qualified one because we provided with Maria a response to him, some example, and he mentioned that, yeah, it's cool, let's have a call. And we did a call, and we decided to qualify the lead. So basically, as you can see, there are just few clicks needed to move from one section to another. We can name this one as it is. Let's say use UK. And we can put whatever amount we can imagine. And imagine they're going to buy this in August. Yeah, it's gonna update later on. Actually 11. So we click convert, and we got a deal. So what is also quite important, what you see here on the chat, that system allow to capture all the communication with the respective lead or deal, so you can keep it as the source to exchange the information and to store the needed basically updates, or maybe ping Maria or any technical manager if they need to pay attention to this. So the conversion process, very simple, very smooth. It takes a few seconds, few clicks. And you can also choose who is the responsible owner of the particular deal. So I'm jumping into the deal. And basically, this is, in my opinion, the standard, basic, but most important functionality of the CRM system, how to move from the capture towards the awaiting payment or the close the one deal. So basically, after we scheduled the call with Elliot, we did a presentation with Maria and we spoke what kind of the machine they have. We identified this kind of things. And we agreed with him after the call that we're going to give him a proposal. And they have a very specific machine. And we understood with Maria that, okay, beyond the licenses, we need to sell the post-processor customization and the customization of the kinematic scheme. So for me, as the manager, what I need to do, I just click one button. There is a way to create a quote. So we can see here, there is like a location, country, whatever company you're given the quote. I'm selecting the needed type of the license. So I choose ENCY 2.0 and I select the configuration, Trix Mill. And then there is an options that I can add. For example, multi-channel, turn XZCY. So you see the license 8,349. But we know that we need to sell him the service package. So I can add the post-processor development and customization. So let me do this. To simplify, I will put like this number. And we have 11,800 euros commercial offer. So it generated the quote. I can set up the particular contact here, the address, all of this information. And I can publish this quote. So I'm clicking one link, and there is an extra link or an availability to generate a PDF from this deal. So we need to get back to Elliot and send him this info. So I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So again, systems allows to prepare a quote. We can issue and track invoices on top of that. ENCY can generate a Stripe links. You can kind of technically integrate with your infrastructure as well. And we can move the deals and the payments within the stages. And Maria already mentioned to you that we can offer the 3 years payment plan. These features also allow to trace which section of the payment has arrived and remind when the next one should go. So let's get back to Elliot because I need to still send him a quote. So it's quite simple. I have this deal here. And basically, I'm going to go to the WhatsApp. And here, as you can see, I drop him a message that blah, blah, blah. The license will cost 8,300, but they're going to be the service charge 3,500 euros. And Elliot responds to me, that's great, Alex, pricing looks reasonable. I will talk with the manager, etc. And a part of that, you can move on towards the proposal negotiations. And ultimately, once you agree, after the couple of follow-ups, you can generate the invoice and push into the await payment. But it's not the whole workflows that is available in the ENCY CRM, just simplified version. What else we can do? We can track the trial and the licenses. How much it took, time for them. Have they signed up at all? For example, I clicked here. We can see that there was a trial May 6th to June 5th. And we can even see, okay, what kind of runs, what activity has been done. And this is very important stuff in the qualification of the leads because frequently leads download the trials, but they do not start them. So sometimes you need to do the extra push to make sure they're going to use them. On top of that, we have everyone using AI right now, but I really enjoy the capabilities of Jarvis AI because it helps to follow up on the emails, make them quite beautiful, structured. It can summarize what's going on in the conversation. What was the tone of the response? Is it neutral? Is it positive, negative? Sometimes we have mostly positive and neutral, but sometimes it could be negatives. And we can set up the automatic reminders. For example, if customer replies, systems set up automatic reminder that customer have replied, you need to deal with that. And it can even suggest the quotes, etc. So maybe I can show you one example. Here is a way to draft a reply, and we can say thanks to Elliot and clarify the decision about paid pilot, let's say. And then you can see the Jarvis is writing the response. basically you can write a big text, but also you can give some idea. If you need just to follow up with the people that is a bit cold, it's a very good way to do that. Few other features that we have is the dashboard. I mean, to deal with the CRM is the one way, but also to understand on a monthly basis or weekly basis what's going on. Sometimes it's a mess. This system have a couple of powerful filters that allows you to see how many leads came from your region, how many leads been, for example, I took ENCY India on top of it, and then you can see red is like the leads that was not okay and the blue that are okay. Or what is the active leads and deals, how much of them you have in total. Or for example, what was the deal sum for the particular period of time, could be weighted for the United States out of 31 deal. So basically this analytics allows you to drill down very quickly to the things that might matter to your business. So you see it drafted the email, I can follow up, etc. But once the alert signed and paid us, we basically can close the opportunities won, and we can assign a ticket and start generating the license, do the setup, do the onboarding, making the custom post-processor, etc. And we use internally CRM to trace all of these steps. Moreover, as the last remarks, we also have a mobile dashboard, which is the application for the CRM. So basically, I've been even listening to some music here while making the screenshot. What it allows you to do, if you're going to the conference, you can scan the business cards. I think it's pretty useful. On top of that, sometimes I'm traveling, maybe train or buses, etc. I can still cross-check the particular leads reply from mobile app. I can use Jarvis, I can add notes, etc. In my opinion, this is like a handy way to keep all those communications in one place. And also, you can see that you can filter easily what you're looking for or what kind of deals or quote has been sent recently. So how to sign up, for those who doesn't know, it's pretty simple. You just click crm.encsoftware.com. You're going to see this page, and then you can request the access, or you can write directly to Maria. She will help you with the onboarding. So, passing word to you, Rakesh.
Yes, thank you, Alex, for the beautiful take through to our CRM. And from the start, Maria told it's a free tool, but of course, free has all tools to be utilized. So it's a shared process, ensuring consistency in pricing, clarity in responsibility, transparency in transformation tracking. It'll also accelerate decision-making, reduce conflict, and allow us to scale together. So it's an ecosystem where we want our resellers to cooperate us and working. And let me tell you, this CRM is not just another CRM. We have, as a perspective, gave many inputs, and it's totally inbuilt by our team. So it's a saying, alone we can walk, but together we can run. So let's run and close the market. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.